Introducing Fayr app, the most advanced and resourceful app for co-parenting. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to use some of the basic features of our app. Let's jump right into the main menu, where you will find all of your features listed, such as calendar, settings, court admissible exporting reports, which could be made into PDFs and Excel sheets. Here, you will also find feedback options. Let's go to Family Settings. Here we see a co-parent that has been invited to accept an invitation. Upon accepting, both parties will be linked. A notification will be seen that the invitation is accepted. Let's go into My Settings. Like most common menus in standard applications, My Settings is where users are able to enter their name, email, and reset password information. To reset your password, simply use your email for verification purpose, and an email will be sent to you prompting you to change your password. Here, you can also sync your calendar to iCal and Google Calendar. Swipe the slider to turn off notifications. In Settings, you will also find Help and Support, where users can find common questions concerning the use of the app, terms of service, privacy policy, and licenses. Let's go back to the main menu. Click on the pie-shaped icon on the upper left side of the screen. Now, let's briefly discuss your calendar options. On the bottom right, click on the plus sign to forfeit a day, add parenting time, or add a special event. Let's click on Forfeit for overview. Here you have the option whether or not to describe your reason for a forfeiture. Let's add a date and time instead. Below you will find an option to choose which child the circumstances are about, as well as an option to leave a note pertaining to the event. Upon pressing save, a notification will be sent to the co-parent where it can be accepted or denied. When choosing the parenting time, you will notice similar features. Simply choose a start date and end date. You also have the option to choose if the event is periodical with daily, weekly, bi-weekly, yearly, or bi-yearly options. When these features are set, the app will automatically notify you up to 15 minutes before the event. Now, let's examine Special Event. Here, you will notice similar options as before, except the user has the option to name the event, such as soccer practice. Additionally, the user may input geo-pinpoint locations. Here, we are locating Weston Regional Park. Now we're going to name the event to soccer. Let's finish by leaving a note. Bring cleats. Upon saving the event, the co-parent will be sent this information as it is listed below the calendar. Upon retrieving the information, they will have the exact address with GPS location, notes on what is needed, and dates and time. This feature saves time and avoids issues by avoiding miscommunication with clear and concise information. Let's head back to the main menu and delve into expenses. Click on the bottom right to create an expense. Type in the amount of the expense, the exact item or service that is being purchased, and choose the category of the expense such as childcare, extracurricular, personal, uncovered medical, dental, medical, school, or vision. Choose the date, which child the item is for. An image of the receipt can be made as well as the item with the option to leave a note. Press Save to save the information, and it will be added to the expense list. Let's review how to edit an expense. Click over an expense listing. Notice the price, receipt, and the photograph of the items listed. Click Edit on the upper right-hand corner. Let's change the category to extracurricular. Add notes if needed, and press Done on the upper right-hand corner. Once the information is documented, the app is capable of creating a report that will list these items, saving the user time and money, not to mention peace of mind. Let's review the check-in feature. Unlike other apps, Fayr app documents check-ins with geo-pinpoint verification. Simply click the event, select the child, and save. It will be included in the report and admissible in court. Finally, let's review the chat feature on the upper right-hand corner. Click on the dotted name, and this feature allows users to have a documented conversation that can be admissible in court. This concludes the tutorial for the Fayr app. Be sure to look for upcoming tutorials that will further examine features in depth, as well as new updates. At Fayr, we appreciate and welcome your feedback. If you have any questions regarding the use of the app or comments on new features you would like to see, make sure to use our feedback section in the main menu. Please follow us on social media where you can like and subscribe. On behalf of the Fayr app team, thank you for watching.